case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2013, a notable case, United States v. Ashcraft, was heard by the United States Court of Appeals for the Eighth Circuit. At the crux of the controversy was a query. Do disability payments fall within the confines of the Consumer Credit Protection Act and its specific limits on income garnishment? The legal conflict was spurred by Joyce Ashcraft's personal wrestle with the government over her disability payments. These payments, received after suffering from a disability, were being seized by the government as part of the restitution sentence attributed to her. Ashcraft argued that these payments should be considered her earnings and thus be protected by the stipulated garnishment limitations set in the Consumer Credit Protection Act. Yet, the lower district court initially ruled against Ashcraft. They disputed the notion that disability payments could qualify as her earnings under the Act. However, an appeal turned the tide decisively in Ashcraft's favor. The Court of Appeals reversed the earlier ruling, choosing to interpret Ashcraft's disability payments as earnings. It rebutted the government's contention that these payments were not compensation for personal services, asserting that they were not explicitly excluded from the Act's definition of earnings. Ultimately, the court championed Ashcraft's cause. It declared that her disability payment, now defined as earnings by the Act, were indeed subject to the limits on garnishment. Ashcraft's case established a critical precedent, empowering individuals with disabilities across the nation to safeguard their necessary financial support.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.